In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the battery on your Dyson V7 vacuum cleaner. Unfortunately, the batteries don't last very long. If it fails within 2 years, you can speak to Dyson. Hopefully you will get a replacement free of charge. If it's after that, then you can look to eBay. You can get an official Dyson one, or you can get a third-party one. Obviously, the third-party ones are going to be cheaper. Make sure you get the correct battery for your particular model. You will find all the details down on the bottom here. Now, in order to change it, we just need a crosshead screwdriver. So that's a little Phillips screwdriver, and there's 3 screws to undo. On this particular model, all of them are the same. So we have 1 screw at the back here, and we have 2 here, 1 here and 1 here. You may find it easier if you release the bin so that this bottom bit drops out, but I'm going to do it in place here just to show you it can be done both ways. So lefty loosey to undo, so counterclockwise. There we go, so that's all 3 screws out and they're all the same. And now I'm gonna slide the battery out like so, nice and straightforward. And then we get the replacement battery and then we slide it back in, up here like that. And then we just got to do up the 3 screws. This time going clockwise, righty-tighty. Just do it until it just nips up. You don't have to go crazy, you're only screwing into plastic. And that's it, that's how easy it is to change the battery. So when you first of all get it, make sure you give it a nice good charge to make sure it's fully charged. And hopefully your Dyson will live on a few more years. Thanks for watching.